Hello, my name is Beth, and I'm going to talk about pantothenic acid, also known as vitamin B5. As with all B vitamins, it's a water-soluble vitamin, and it's an essential nutrient in humans. The name pantothenic is derived from a Greek word meaning everywhere because it can be found in a wide variety of different foods. Pantothenic acid acts similarly to other vitamins and then it helps in the synthesis of coenzymes, coenzyme A in this case, when it binds with ATP energy and amino acids to form. This enzyme helps facilitate the acceleration of cellular reactions and assists in the transfer of fatty acids within the cell. Also, pantothenic acid is a component of an acyl carrier protein which helps synthesize fatty acids. In other words, pantothenic acid is used in the synthesis of fatty acids and in metabolism to help convert our food into usable energy by helping to break down carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. What does it do? In summary, Dr. Smith describes pantothenic acid's functions in her book as the following. It assists in the formation of antibodies, it aids in wound healing, it stimulates the adrenal glands to secrete hormones required in the body, it is used in the production of red blood cells, and it helps use your body's other vitamins, including vitamin D, fatty acids, and amino acids. Pantothenic acid is found in a wide variety of plants and animals, including chicken liver and dark chicken meat, beef, kidney, and tongue, mushrooms, soybeans, including soybeans and soybean flour, eggs, sunflower seeds, fresh salmon and tuna, blue cheese, broccoli, avocados, cauliflower, corn, yogurt, sweet potatoes. And it is important to note that pantothenic acid is lost in processing and cooking, so it is found in a higher concentration in fresh and raw foods. As stated by the National Center of Biotechnology Information, which is a branch of the National Institutes of Health, a recommended daily allowance nor an upper limit have been yet determined due to lack of scientific evidence. Therefore, adequate intake will be used. For infants aged 0 to 6 months old, 1.7 milligrams is the adequate intake, and for infants aged 6 to 12 months old, 1.8 milligrams is the AI. For children aged 1 to 3 years old, AI is 2 milligrams, children aged 4 to 8 years old, 3 milligrams, and children aged 9 to 13-year-olds, 4 milligrams. For men and women, there is no gender difference, so the AI is 5 milligrams. For pregnant women, AI is 6 milligrams, and for breastfeeding women, AI is 7 milligrams. Deficiency is very rare and usually only seen in cases of starvation or severe malnutrition. However, it has been studied that the symptoms of deficiency, as described in a study conducted in 1955 by Bean, Hodges, and Dahm from the Metabolism Unit of the Department of Medicine and the University Hospitals of the State University of Iowa, they include numbness and tingling of the extremities, chronic upper respiratory infections, fatigue, insomnia, depression, irritability, stomach pains, and nausea and vomiting. There is no evidence, however, that pantothenic acid is toxic in humans. There are adverse symptoms of excessive amounts of this vitamin that include diarrhea, indigestion, and an increased risk of bleeding, especially with concurrent use of anticoagulants or if the patient is diagnosed with hemophilia. In the end, there's a lot more research that needs to be done to determine RDA, upper limit, and the content of pantothenic acid in foods. However, here is a list of my references that I use to get the information that we have thus far. Thank you.